Hey, what's up guys? It's Elaine Michelle, part of the Budget Misses. We are going to be on tour. We're going to Houston, that's right. Houston, Texas, stand up. The Budget Misses are coming to Houston and it's about to go down. Go big or go home. So if you guys are interested in coming to see the Budget Misses and just getting a chance to learn some things, hands-on experiences, we would love to have you there. The date is July the 6th and we will have the location, all that stuff. It's all on our website. Just go check it out. For real. Sign up. You can do it. Come check us out. Hey, what's up besties? It's your girl Elaine Michelle and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. If this is your very first time, stop what you're doing, click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you do not miss any more of my videos. Alright, so today we're just going to be doing our paycheck to paycheck budget for paycheck number 2. And I would just like to kind of show you, well, a lot of stuff happened in May, the beginning of May, so I wasn't able to do everything like I wanted to, and I started recording and didn't get where I needed to, but this is like basically where my May budget is looking like, and I decided that I would start using more of my stickers along with Shay's stickers, because that little extra like icon just makes me like want to grab my bills and pay them. Okay, I'm just saying. But anyway, so going into paycheck number 2, let's go over our expenses. So we'll put expenses down and our budgeted and actual, and then plus or minus. Okay, so one thing I've been kind of noticing about myself is that when I keep track, like when I like constantly look into my planner, I feel like I get the most out of it. Like I don't know, I feel like I just get more bang for my buck when I am constantly in my planner. And I found at the beginning of May I wasn't really in my planner the way that I should have been, and so I did a lot of catch up on my paycheck number 1, and I kind of don't want to ever have to do that again, doing all that like playing catch up and stuff. And I don't know why am I adding watching here? What was my purpose? What's my motivation? Yeah, because I'm extra. So anyway, so what I was trying to say was that my month started out kind of rocky, and I was trying to figure out like how to get it not so rocky, and all the bills got paid, don't get it wrong, like all that stuff got paid, all of it was paid on time. I just felt frazzled, like I don't know, I just felt a little frazzled this time. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into these expenses that we have. The first up is going to be our car note shoddy. And we usually pay $500, and that doesn't change at all. And then we have Navient. Now this Navient one, I'm still gonna budget for what we did last month. Let me just make sure we were still at 103. I think it went up to 106 this time, but they at the beginning of May they changed some stuff, but they haven't given me what my plan is. I know that's so weird. Anyways, because I still had a month left, so June would actually technically be the end of that payment plan program that they put me on, and I would have to get recertified. So I sent in all my paperwork and they're supposed to change it, but then I don't know, it's a whole thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and leave this at 103, and whatever it actually comes up with, that'll help us to plan for June. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's June already. Okay, then we have iTunes number 2, and iTunes number 2, I believe that's our just make sure, yeah, that's just our storage, so that one's just $2.99. And then we have MLGW, and I thought I saw my MLGW bill. Like I'm actually thinking I saw the actual bill come out. They send it weirdly, oddly enough, like after I finished my first one, they actually send the bill like a couple of days later. And let's see. Yeah, okay. So for the month of May, it's only $130. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So that's 130. I've gotten that down. And then we have Sprint. and that was $180. And then Xfinity is 90. We're just gonna round it up to 95 because I think it's like 94 or something. And then Netflix did go up, but at the beginning of the month I still had it at put it at 17. Okay, and then kickboxing, that's my new one, and I have that at $19.66. Basically $20 per paycheck is what I pay for kickboxing, so $40 a month. And I like it that way. It makes me feel like I'm not paying as much because I'm doing it that way. I know that sounds so cray, but I like how I'm able to split it up and not have to pay everything all at one time. I don't know, it just makes me feel better. Do you guys like your bills like that, when you can have them separated into weeks or like into your pay periods? I know I do that anyways. I separated them into pay periods, but I like when the bill is already done like that. I don't know. All right, so my cash envelopes, we are still at $420. And then our sinking funds, we are at 70. Now, what I think is going to happen in the grocery category, I'm actually going to end up taking that category down from 150 to 120. And I'm saying that because our living situation has changed, so I don't have to purchase as much food anymore. And like, I got the food for us for a week for $54, and I actually added on extra stuff. So I'm thinking that we could probably stick within, we're moving down to 120 and then try to go from 120 to 100 and see how we can make do with that, because I have a lot of my pantry items anyways. It's just more so buying the meats and stuff for the week. All right, and then our sinking funds are $70. That's done there. Okay, so let's do our total. Our total expenses, and then our total remaining. Okay, so I did notice that my paycheck this time was actually $20.60, so I'm just gonna put that over here. Yeah, I'm gonna put that right there. And so that was cool, like I didn't have to worry about that. So let's just go ahead and add everything up. La da 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 da. Let me put these dollar signs on here. Is anybody else like that? Like where you like need to put your dollar signs on there? Like sometimes I just need to put my dollar signs on here to make me feel better that I'm actually working with money. So that's the whole thing. All right, so let's do our 2060. Oh no, we're adding these up first. 500 plus 103 plus 299 is 130 plus 180 plus 95 plus 17 plus 1966 plus 490, which is the 420 plus the 70. Okay, so our total expenses for this time is $1537.65. All right, so then we subtract that from 2060, and that leaves us with $522.35. Okay, so some things that I have coming up this month that I need to make sure that I'm aware of. We have trip to New York. So I just like to make sure I have extra spending money, especially because I'll be in a brand new city, going out to eat, different things like that. I'll get the chance to meet CJ, and I don't know what she'll have in store for us, so I want to make sure that I have everything I need. And plus, like, because I'm meeting CJ, you know, I'm gonna be shopping with her in person, so I'm gonna be grabbing all that I can from her. So the trip to New York, I need to save money for that. And then also, Bubba is graduating from pre-K. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that. So he wants to go out to eat afterwards, and so I want to make sure that I have enough money for to take him out to eat and do whatever it is that he wants to do. Even if it's like if he wants to go to Chuck E. Cheese and eat, whatever it is, I want to just make sure I have some money there. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna subtract that from that $522, my half of my car note, because I am still paying half car note, to see what I'll have left over after that. So if we do 522, oh no, yeah, 522 not 35 minus 250. Okay, that leaves us with 272.35. So this is 250 here. And then the trip to New York is going to be, let's just say we'll put $100 here for Bubba, and then 150. And then 150 here. And then that will leave me with like a buffer of a couple of dollars, just to make sure that if I overspend somewhere, I have that there. So these are my extra expenses. So that will leave me with $22.35. And I'm just going to apply that over to my 35 cents. And then whatever is remaining, I'll probably just add that into my car note. Yeah, that is what I'll do. So yeah, I just want to make note of that there. That's there. And make sure I'm aware of my my expenses and such. I think there was a little thing I could put in between there to kind of separate that one, and I will, because I should have left some more space, but that's alright. It's alright over there. Okay, and so these are going to be the things that I have to pay for afterwards. Like, these are not what I call like my necessity type ones. These are extra things that are happening that I still need to make sure I am covering myself for and aware of. So the total remaining, we're just gonna highlight this, that we still are in the green. So that's good. We didn't overspend. And let's just make a mark of all of the ones that have to be automatic paid. So this one I have set up on automatic, Navient as well, iTunes as well, and Netflix and kickboxing. Okay, so all of those are in there, and they are the ones that have to be paid. Like, that's gonna get paid regardless. Okay, regardless of what we feel, they get paid. All right, cool. So I think I got everything now. I'm excited about this next couple of weeks because I feel like I have a lot going on. I just want to see how I manage the money that I have. And this will also be the paycheck. Oh, I need to put that down here. So we'll also get some Amazon. We'll get some share sale. And then we'll also get YouTube. So I'll put those down there, and I'll update those once I have what I'll be bringing home for those paychecks. So yeah, there'll be a little bit of extra income there. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this budget with me, plan with me. What, budget with me, plan with me? What, girl? This paycheck to paycheck budget. If you guys are wondering, I don't know if I said this at the beginning, but these stickers, again, you'll always see me. They'll be from Shay's Budget Shop. I just can't get enough, and I foiled the script that she gave me, which I love that. I did that on my own. Don't go asking her for that because she ain't coming for it. Like, she ain't going. But I wanted to foil mine. I'm thankful that she gave me the opportunity to do so. And yeah, this is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. And as always, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Mwah! KK, bye!